ComfyUI is one of the most popular AI tools, and by now almost everyone in the AI image generation community knows about it. It's a place where your imagination becomes reality. By connecting nodes together, you can build your own tools, automate complex tasks, and create powerful custom workflows. Some creators even make a full-time income by selling their ComfyUI workflows. But there's one problem. You may have amazing ideas, yet not have the powerful GPU needed to run them. Many people end up paying for Google Colab Pro or other cloud GPU services. They launch notebooks, wait for dependencies to install, download models, and spend valuable credits just getting everything ready before they can even start creating. Now imagine a different experience. Imagine running almost any ComfyUI workflow instantly, without waiting for installations, without wasting credits on setup, and without sitting through long loading times. Just open your workflow, start generating, and focus on creating instead of waiting. In this video, I'll show you how you can start using ready-to-use ComfyUI workflows in just a few seconds. No complicated setup, no lengthy installations, and no waiting. Simply choose a workflow and start creating right away. Watch my video till end and don't forget to give a like. Well, let's get started. Click on link in my description to visit main page of ComfyUI. To use this, you need to sign up and log in. You can simply link your Gmail and create account. Just follow few steps and that's it, your account is created. Answer few questions before login. You can choose ready-to-use workflow from template option. For example, I am going to choose a step workflow. It loaded in seconds, no need to do anything, type prompt and run. Same way you can run any workflow. All you need to do, click on template option and choose a workflow or VN. You can create your own, no need of installation, anything, all nodes and models are already installed. Running these you will need credits. Click on upgrade option. For just $16 you can generate 380 videos of 5 seconds. I am not sure anywhere else you can do that. If you are looking for easy and cheapest way to use ComfyUI workflow, then this is the place you should. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials, tools, and workflows. If you have any questions or run into any issues, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.